Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the formula Datedif. Here in this example, we have set containing employee names, date of birth, date of joining. We are tasked to find what was the employee's age as on his date of joining. We will find out the age retrospectively. For this, we will use the function Datedif. Let us input the formula in column F2 equals to dated if open the bracket start date comma end date, that is D2 comma third parameter within quotes y, so y, okay, and close the bracket. So here we get the result 21. Amit was 21 years as of uh, 1st September 2021, his date of joining. Copy the formula until the end. Okay. In our case, still F12, we'll go to D2. Here we will change the third parameter. Y to M. Enter. Fill the date till end. Here it will show the age of the employees in total months. We'll go to H2. Here we'll change the third parameter to D. Enter. Fill the date till end. Here it will show the age of the employees in total days as of his date of joining. We'll move to I2. Here we'll change the third parameter to YD. YD for year days. That means the day difference in 365 calendar days, irrespective of years. Fill the data till end. Here it will show the age of employees in total days in 365 calendar days. Let us look into the next parameter. Let us put input formula in J2. Here we will change the third parameter to ym. Ym for number of months between date of range, ignoring the years. It will calculate months between two dates irrespective of the years of the two dates. Fill the data till the end. Now let us input the formula in K2. Here we will change the third parameter to MD. MD for month's day. That means the days difference in a month irrespective of years. Okay, let us change to MD. Enter. Fill the data to end. Let us analyze the data now. Column F shows the age of the employees in completed years as of the date of joining. Okay. Column G shows the age of the employees in total months as of his date of joining. Column H shows uh, total days as of his date of joining. Column I shows total days between two dates range ignoring the years. Ignoring the years. Column J shows total months between two date range ignoring the years. Column K shows total days between two date range ignoring the months and years. If we need to tell the exact age of employee as on his joining date, it would be for Amit 21 days, 21 years, 0 months, 19 days. Suresh 22 years, 1 month and 24 days. Ramesh 21 years, 10 months and 0 days. So on and so forth. That's all on this video. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.